Hey everybody, it's Jeff from New York, and today we are back in New York City in the borough of Manhattan to check out Union Square Park. The park opened in 1839 and was redesigned in 1872 to accommodate mass congregations of New Yorkers. Union Square Park has served as home base for countless community events and festivals, from the first Labor Day Parade in 1882 to workers' rallies in the 1930s to the first Earth Day in 1970, and to the current wildly popular Green Market, which is the subject of another video here on the New York channel. Great green market, lots of beautiful flowers and vegetables and things you can purchase throughout the park. This formal burial ground has seamlessly transitioned from a town square to a bustling city park, and as such, it is the deserved home of statues depicting distinguished men like George Washington, Abraham Lincoln, Mohandas Gandhi, and the Marquis de Lafayette. It's a beautiful spring day in the park, so let's take a walk, a leisurely stroll through the park and check out all the attractions and the statues, and of course do some people watching. And I'll keep a little music in the background, but keep the background sounds up so we can hear people talking and just having fun and enjoying the day here in New York City. This, of course, is a New York City Vault video from the New York channel. It was released about 2 years ago, pre-COVID. I'm just adding some new commentary here and some music in the background. I think you'll enjoy it. Let's get started on this stroll, shall we?
Let me.
Yeah, thank you.
I still don't know how to operate on a road.
I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.